In this video, I'm going to show you how to program your power windows after you've done a reset of your batteries or you lost power. And this is what happens when you push all the way down on the auto window. It doesn't go down and you have to hold it to go up. Let me show you exactly what to do to get this to work back how it was. Whether you replaced the battery or you just lost power or you shorted the ground, whatever it was, here's how you reset it. Very simple. You're gonna push down for the window to come all the way down, and you're gonna hold that for 2 seconds after it's completely down. And then likewise, you're gonna hold up, and once it's all the way up, you're gonna hold that for 2 seconds. Let me show you. The window's all the way up, you push and hold down. And now 2 seconds, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Then you hold and come up. And then you hold 2 seconds, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. And if I'm a genius, then that should have worked. I guess I'm a genius. In this video, I show you exactly how to bleed your brakes by yourself. Go check that out.